Well, we've boiled our Asian noodles and drained them. And we've made our sauce. It's a peanut sesame seed sauce. It also has toasted sesame oil, mirin, cracked red pepper, lime juice, and sesame seeds, and a little bit of water. We've whisked that together. Now, as I said, we're building this whole thing in one bowl, which is pretty cool. I'm going to add our noodles. Come on. And we're going to toss them. Oh, these look good. These peanut noodles look really yummy and delicious. Okay, I'm going to add some more sesame seeds on top and some scallions. Give that another toss. I love scallions in this. It just perks up the flavor and adds some crunch because they're nice and raw. And when we come back, we're going to serve our shrimp and pork egg rolls with sesame noodles.